Welcome to the Blue Star Higher Secondary School, Class 6, Subject Social and Political Life. Before class, we have seen what does the diversity add to our lives. Okay, we have seen that many people who have been write the stories and the ideas of the different places. They have been make up these stories very good and they make us to be feel happy. We have seen this in the last class, but today we are going to see is diversity in India. Okay, in India is a diverse country because the people will speak different languages. Yes, there are the different languages like Hindi, English, Sanskrit. These are the different languages, and the various foods like biryani. Many foods are meals. These are the many foods, types of foods. It's there. The festivals like uh, Diwali, Christmas, Ramzan. These are the different festivals which we practice in the different religions. Okay, how do we explain the diversity? It is a most important question here. Okay, if you read the past book, the people used to change their place from one place to another. Yes, they don't have their food, shelter. What they will do, they will go to one place to another to search of the foods. Okay, here there is a lack of resources. They used to travel, or otherwise they will ship from one place to another, and they have learned each other and each other culture, and also they learned the new things from each other. Okay, when people change their place and their homes, they will change, they will self change to become adapt in that place. Okay, they will manage and they do their own ways. This is how they languages are mixed as old as a new. Okay, the diversity adapt, the people will change to the geographical area. For example, if you are living in UP, Uttar Pradesh, the climate will be different. Yes, the climate will be different. According this, you will change to your adaptability for that climate. Okay, till this you have understood. And next, if you are not adapt in that particular geographical area, that will serve over there. For example, if you go for the Masudi, what they will do, you cannot wear the in Simla, you cannot wear the cotton clothes because Simla is very cold area, because they are very cold. You cannot wear the woolen cloths. Likewise, if their peoples are living in the mountains and nearby the sea, what they will do, we should adapt based on that climate. Okay, that is known as the diversity in India. Diversity is nothing but based on this we should adapt our life based on that condition is known as diversity in India. Okay, till this you have clear. And the assignment will be list at least 3 ways in which people in India do the following. Okay, the first way is different ways in which people pray. Okay, the first box has been filled. You should fill the first and second and third box. Okay, and here the second, like this, others there is remaining 4 headings is there. You should fill it as an assignment. The different ways in which people get married. Okay, and next, the third way, the different ways in which people dress. For different way in which people greet each other. Fifth, different ways in which people cook rice. Okay, this is the assignment for today, and you can refer the book, page number 8, and also read the lessons till diversity in India. Children, you recall whatever I have taught. You read the lesson, then only you can clearly understand what I have been taught. Thank you.